Morning again, morning Kabeja, morning YouTube, morning South Africa, morning world, morning everybody. We're doing it again, the daily dose of LOL with Siaseya, where I get my source for whatever I talk about is the Herald. The Herald, get the Herald from outlets, man. Get the Herald, go to the Herald website, www.theherald.co.za. So yes, as we do on a daily basis, let's do it again. Let's do it again right now. Right now, because I only have one story and one story alone. Because today I love these guys. I love these guys because hey, they've been running this country, man. They've been running this country unofficial. You know, when in these other African countries, when there's the soldiers, when the soldiers are taking over the government, I forgot the rebels. The rebels. Yeah, it's the soldiers in other African countries. I think in this one it's gonna be taxi drivers. This country, I think the rebels are the taxi drivers because your front page, they're out. They are out yesterday. They woke up at 4 o'clock because they don't sleep. They don't sleep. They are protest. They woke up and protested, closed all the roads, protesting for potholes to be work on the potholes. I mean, everyone has been talking about potholes. We've been joking about potholes. We've been screaming about potholes, the street lights. Even the guys in Warmer, they decided now we're not gonna complain. We're gonna put manure and plant flowers. Everyone has been talking about potholes. East London, TikTok, people driving and showing us potholes. Everyone has been complaining. So yesterday, taxi drivers cancelled everyone's trips without warning, without an app, without SMSs, no calls, nothing. They cancelled everyone's trip and went and closed the roads everywhere and saying, fix the potholes. This is us saying, fix the potholes. Those are the taxi drivers. Because when taxi drivers go on strike, they go on strike. When they protest, they protest. They don't mess around. They don't mess around. When taxi drivers protest, they protest. Because I remember, I think it was 2001 or 2. I am that old, bro. I remember they protested. It was 600 taxi drivers that year, if I remember the number. 600 taxi drivers came together in one spot and they took out their thing and peed at the same time. I don't know what they drank that year. That was the plan. I don't know who came up with the plan, but I know 600 people said, let's go, let's do it. 600 people, 600 men, taxi drivers and their owners, they peed. All of them. The protest was peaceful, but very smelly. Peaceful and smelly. They were heard. Whatever they were protesting for, they were heard. And the smell was loud. Yeah, they signed the manifesto. They were busy. So once again, they woke up yesterday and closed all the roads. They're like, no, we are matured now. We don't pee anyway. We just don't pee. They woke up, closed all the roads because that's who they are. No warning. They did, these guys, this industry is old, bruh. It's older than me. Taxi industry has been around, bruh. They should have an app by now, database or something. They should have our numbers. Yeah, you must tell us if you are going. Maybe we might join. Taxi drivers are not like the Bolt guys. The Bolt and the Uber drivers. They are not like them. Like the aura is different. Taxi drivers, the ego is hectic. And I'm sure now today as they are moving like nothing happened yesterday. Their customers, their passengers are there. No one is asking. You start asking nonsense, you'll be put in your place. No one. They are the government. They are the government on the roads. So the Uber drivers are different. And you can tell it's this app thing. This app thing is here with them. Because as you enter a Uber, I never get the feeling that this guy who's driving this Uber feels like it's his car. He always makes it feel like it's my car. They always make us feel like this is our car. And they look like they are panicky, like they don't trust anything. Confidence. I don't know what's happening. Hmm? I don't know. Every time I get into an Uber, they're like, it seems like you're in a hotel or something. Like, yeah, do you want to play a song? We have an aux. You want to charge your phone? Hey, bruh, you even initiate the conversation, bruh. Like, Uber drivers, like, they are the best. All of them. You can't do that in a taxi. You can't. You are not even allowed in the front seat to play with your phone. You are not even allowed, bruh. You even when that thing works, you are not even allowed to charge. Man can't charge, depending which taxi you're on. Depends which taxi. And I know if the taxi drivers are protesting for potholes, I'm giving those potholes 2 weeks. They will be gone. They will be gone. Because taxi drivers, when they protest, they protest. I remember when they protested during lockdown, they were the only ones moving. They won that situation too. They were the only ones. Guys, leave the potholes to the taxi drivers. It's sorted. If ever there was no budget for the Don and Don, the budget is gonna come out. There's gonna be a budget. The taxi drivers, they speak once. I even saw on the page, the front page, I even saw there's a finger. There's a finger. The taxi driver, there's a thing pointed at someone who's driving a private car. There's a finger there. There's a thing. And it's not even by the window on the safe side. No, it's in front of the car. You don't celebrate nonsense. Yeah, there's a finger. On the front page, the picture there is talking. The picture is protesting. One taxi driver, you can tell it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. They don't care, those. They don't care. They don't do champagne and cakes to celebrate. They don't celebrate nonsense. That's what the thing was about. They don't celebrate. Our taxi drivers, the potholes are gone. Chances are, I'm telling you. Even inside the taxi, bro. Inside the taxi, it was a taxi driver's idea to remove the gear. If you remember in the taxi, the gear, when you change gears, it was here. It was here. The gear was here. And they still made sure someone is sitting in the gear, though. They still made sure, because they are all about their money. There were still 3 people. They were meant for 2. And they always made sure it's a lady who's sitting in between. And the gear is always in between the legs. It was always there. The gear was always there, bro. And they changed gears unnecessary. They changed gears all the time. That was the case. That's how the accidents were happening. Then they protested. They protested that the gear must be changed, must be put into the steering wheel. Now it's in the steering wheel. No taxi accidents. Now we fixed the taxi from inside. Now we're dealing with the taxi from outside. The potholes. I'm lying about the gear. I am lying. Don't take me serious. I'm lying. But that is how I see it. They are fixing the country. They are fixing the country. They are fixing the business. But they need an app. They need to have a database. They need to tell us before they do things. They understand. They can't just wake up and go on strike without it. Bruh, you raised kids, bruh. Your kids are educated. Build an app. Communicate. Big up to the taxi drivers. Big up to them. Yeah, that's my time for today. CSA, daily, Monday to Friday. Yeah, get your issue right now. Go to the website www.theherald.co.za. You understand? There's always something dope to read about. Extra, extra. Read all about it. See you tomorrow.